Ah, good evening. We're trying the Doordash order thing. Like, we spend money on the orders from Doordash and we spend the money on baits, and we're doing really good so far. There's a plus $2 bonus here in Wabash, so we're at like $48 now. How many dashes have we been on in total? We only been on 4? Oh, okay. Anyway, we're at $48 now. We're sitting in the AutoZone parking lot because we can, and it's starting to rain. Anyway, we're waiting on our next orders, and as soon as our dash ends, which is I think at like 9:30, which is like an hour, that's when we're going to go to the Walmart and find whatever we can to buy for however much we have. We just picked up our next order. I think the total was for, I don't know, it was like $9.25 for the total order, and my acceptance rate has like dropped to like 80% because all I care about are the... Yeah, so we just got done delivering to the hospital on the 2nd floor for med-surg, and $4 tip, $8.25 total delivery. It's all right. That puts us up to what, $54? Yeah, $54 for baits that we can now buy. We have about 35 minutes left before the dashing ends. I want more money. You want more money? I want more money too. Let's get it. Order number 59. I've lost count. Taco Bell. How many did you say? 5? Alrighty. Here you go. Order number, I've lost count, back at Taco Bell. Don't tip. Don't tip that, it has a drink in it. We're back again. How many runs are we on? 6, and we've got dual order. This bag has Papa John's along with that, and apparently
I really would like to go because this pizza is very warm and it's making my heart race. Feel my pulse.
95-ish.
I can see it.
Kayak rod holder. Okay.
We're here for one thing and one thing only.
Well, that's fishing related, so... Oh, no, it says scupper plug. I'm just dyslexic. Scupper plug, what's this? Kayak paddle rod leash. It's a little big for you.
You think?
Just a little bit. Alright, so we ended the night with, how much did we? $91.98, which was really surprising that we even made that much. So that means we have $91.98 that we can just spend on baits. I'll go ahead and transfer this real quick. Oh, we're getting a total of $89.99 back because of the $1.99 fee. I want the black with red flake, or watermelon red flake.
We have that big old bag though.
Yeah, but you can never have enough because that's what the fish bite on at Nickums.
That's what the fish bite on everywhere. And black with blue flake.
That's a really big bag of worms. I guess that's better than opening up a can of worms. You can get one of that kind. So basically we have $90 to spend on whatever we want.
Pocket frog.
Pocket frog. Y'all want to see something? Pocket frog.
If I were a fish, out of this section here, what do you think I would bite on, personally?
If you were a fish, you'd probably bite on the Booty Shaker 4.0.
That is correct.
I knew it was. I'm smart.
How did you know?
Because it's the color blue. Step away. Some of these actually look... I don't mind the look of this. It's like a really nice, like, matte black. How much is that?
$10.
Grab it. How much are we up to already?
Probably close to 20.
Okay. So we can keep choosing around. We still gotta find more baits. I do need a bigger selection of spinning baits. Like, look at all those spinning baits, all for $1. That's a really big rod and reel. That looks like it's for like catfish or something.
It is.
Oh, it's
a ocean.
It's a breakdown. There's no oceans around here.
You see on there?
It just says catch more fish.
Surf.
Oh,
Pier.
surf pier. Yep. I can't read. All right, we're gonna get the big bag, the mighty bag.
Do they not have a popping frog?
For any what?
Popping frog.
That's usually like a specialty item.
The one in Berkeley you can get at a gas station.
Watermelon red flake. Ooh, look at the Yum Bass kit.
What are these?
Cream, I have no idea, honestly. Interesting. Kelly worm with spinners on it. Never seen that before. We really should have grabbed like a cart or something with you.
Intrigued by whatever this
Oh,
is trying to be.
I'm not too sure, but it's really weird. Leave a like on this video if you think that we should definitely get some of those for the next fishing challenge we do. I grabbed all of the watermelon red flakes. We really should have grabbed a basket.
Oh my god. How did we miss all this? I thought about buying one of these little push buttons and keeping it in my car with a kid's tackle box instead of just taking my big giant fishing pole everywhere.
Fair enough. I'm gonna get some cups too. There we go. Berkeley Fusion 19s. Ooh, get you a new Black Max that looks like somebody tried to break into.
Yeah, it still feels pretty smooth though.
Okay. Let's see how much we spend with everything that we just got.
Close to $80.
I don't even want to know.
I do.
I feel like we've gone over.
I think so.
Oh, that's a lot more expensive than what it originally said. Ooh, I think we went over just by a little bit. It was because of the spinners. There it is. We can't do anymore. We have to stay below.
Yeah, well now she has to put those back.
I'll put them back. I'll put them back after we cash out, okay? So on the plus side, I didn't have to like go back and put those back. The self-checkout lady was like, "Oh no, honey, I'll put them in the cart. It's completely fine. You just go ahead and go and have a great night." I was just like, "Oh, thank you so much." So that's what we ended up doing. I handed her the stuff, and she said she's gonna put it in the cart. Here is our grab. We got crankbaits from Ozark Trail. We got a big old bag, big old mighty bag of soft plastic worms. I'm pretty sure I bought out their selection of watermelon red flake. Got some Berkeley power bait using a weedless wide gap, which I think I could probably just like use these normally as a T-rig. Catch 45% more fish. We got a metric crap ton of Fusion 19s, 3-aught, fast set, sharp hooks, all right. And then just a huge selection of spinning baits, which I think I am going to hook on my white spinner bait that we got last night. So let's go ahead and get on it. He walked through that muck, didn't he? Benji! Benji! Here! Benji! Here! Here, here, here! Come on! Oh. Oh my God.
Not only did he walk through it, but he fell into it.
Oh, buddy. I had something following that. I saw the ripples. Ooh, get him, babe. Look at you. doubled up. Doubled up on the Walmart spinner.
Easy.
Leave it.
Are they exactly the same size?
They look like they are. Oh, well, I just lost my first spinner. It just said bye.
Lovely.
And that's what it did to my reel.
We love those $1 Walmart spinner baits.
I don't know if that was just my knot or if it actually broke. Well, that was something. Let's get the dangling. These Berkeley Fusion 19 worm hook boxes. I'm not having to worry about silly stuff. Like water temperature and all that great stuff. And slow bites like this.
Art?
No.
Pass?
Maybe. You having fun, Benji? Huh? You having fun? Chasing the baits around? You little crackhead. So having fun chasing the baits around.
Oh.
Real?
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Do I go fast or slow?
Just depends. I mean, you can go fast or slow. Kind of a medium. Jerk it. Now, I want to warn you, it's a crankbait, so you're going to be picking up a lot of weeds. What the hell was that?
What?
You didn't hear that?
No.
Did you just cast?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Bud, you're gonna get smacked. I'm gonna laugh at you. There's two for the books. Just barely lipped him too. Look at that. Barely lipped him. Wanna say hi, Benji? Wanna say hi? Yeah. Just a little fish boy. Just a little dinker. Oh, that's bright. So, didn't do as good as I thought we were gonna do with the Walmart baits, although that fish I caught on the spinner bait was quite surprising. We did pretty good. You caught one on a popper, but it wasn't a Walmart popper. It was your own popper that you already had, and you ended up not catching anything on any of the Walmart baits.
No, I was about to throw a power bait on when you said that it was...
Yeah, it was too dark. I couldn't get anything on the GoPro or anything like that.
I was kind of excited about the power baits though.
We can do a part 2 to this. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what you think I should do next for a challenge. In the meantime, I will see you guys in about 2.5 weeks. Oh my god.